Sometime we do want to see some rows and hide other rows. To do this, filter feature will be a handy tool for us. First, make sure our data has not empty rows and empty column. Simply click on one of the cell and go to data and filter, and we see a filter arrow at the top of the column. Let's see, for example, the department. We have here an alphabetical list of the departments. Let's select two of the departments. First, unselect all, and then select like manufacturing. One is enough. Manufacturing, it says 4 out of 15 records. We can clear the filter if we want to see all the data again. For texts, we have additional option here. We can add all the finance, the status, can filter what we want. Let's select all or clear. For text, we have additional option here. We have equals, not equals, begin with, custom filter, and others. And for numbers, also we have a lot of ready-made option available. We can do btune top 10. Let's try the btune. We can find data between 50 or 70,000 and less than 80,000. Yeah, this should be 70,000. So the salary between this range will be filtered. It's great.